we also want to cultivate that love for teaching sa mga Edwardian volunteers po natin, especially for our students, no? Na we want to bring our brand of education, our Edwardian education, and share it to these students.
Hello po, I am Megalisha from Grade 12 STEM Canada. My extended experience was very meaningful. And when I volunteered, my goal was to simply share my learning with the other children, but I ended up learning from them too. It was an experience that allowed me to grow and to understand the true value of service.
Yes, tama. So, tandaan natin, pag sinabi
Nung nandun po ako, nare-realize ko na yung mga batang nandun po ay meron pong malalaking pangarap. At itong mga pangarap na ito po ay talagang gusto po nilang makamit. Nakita ko po kung gaano po sila kaporsigido. That's why po it's very important to have a program that will serve as a stepping stone for them to reach for their dreams. One that will empower and inspire them na kakayanin po nila at makakamit po nila yung mga pangarap nila.
times. Ano ito times natin?
I can relate it to the school's core values po by first, faith, sa paniniwala sa mga kabataan, sa mga pangarap po nila na kaya po nilang makamit iyon. At sa paniniwala na kahit po yung small acts po natin ay makakapag-contribute sa malaking success. Integrity po, the fact that we showed up even when no one is looking po, yung pagiging tapat at totoo sa paggawa ng tama. Stewardship, caring for these children, and in hard work naman, we understand that it requires effort and it requires so much time to put this program all together. I, Megalisha, and this is my voice beyond the edge.